Welcome all, Papa G here. Today is Saucy Sunday. It's where we focus primarily on low-carb recipes for sauces, condiments, and dressings. Most of the videos will be short and to the point, just something to help add a little flavor to your low-carb diet. Let's get started. For this week's episode, I present my homemade Caesar salad dressing recipe. If you like my ranch dressing, you'll love my homemade version of this American Italian classic. Let me show you how to make it. The first thing we need to do is finely mince about 4 anchovy fillets. Now I know some of you may think you won't like this ingredient, but please trust me. This ingredient is necessary to get the overall flavor profile we need. Combined with all the other ingredients, you won't even know it's there, so please don't omit it. To make our dressing, we'll add about a cup of mayonnaise to a mixing bowl. Add some heavy cream, some Creole mustard, minced garlic, about a teaspoon of dried oregano, ground black pepper, our minced anchovies, a half a cup or about 2 ounces of shredded Parmesan cheese, and finally we'll add some lemon juice. Mix well until thoroughly combined. Give a taste for salt. I thought it needed a little here, so I added about a pinch. Cover and refrigerate for at least an hour to allow the flavors to come together. When it's ready, you'll enjoy one of the best tasting low-carb salad dressings you'll ever try. There you have it, folks, my homemade Caesar salad dressing recipe. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.